Hello friends. If you notice, bronze items form marks on surface due to oxidation over time. So instead of buying expensive cleaners to get rid of this tarnish, let me share a simple zero-cost eco-friendly cleaning method with minimal effort, which is chemical-free as well. Get super sparkling and spotless this way. It's absolutely easy way to restore its natural shine without damaging the metal. So here is my trick. I'm going to use the common kitchen ingredient. Use tamarind pulp that's discarded usually after extracting the tamarind juice, which acts as gentle cleansing agent with tartaric acid. Helps to break down the oxidation layer easily. If you want, you can use fresh tamarind as well. I avoid using vinegar on bronze as its strong acidity can be harsh on the metal. Let's get started. First, pour some hot water to used tamarind pulp so that it softens and helps the acid to work more effectively. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. For more dense marks, you can add quarter teaspoon salt or baking soda. As I said, this is with tamarind pulp and water only. Start rubbing pulp on marks or entire bronzeware to activate reaction. If you notice, pulp acts as gentle scrubber too. You can already see how quickly it started restoring its shining. Acid penetrates easily with hot water and breaks down the tarnish even faster. Once everything is done, simply rinse with water. If you want, you can wash with dish liquid once. Notice the spotless bronzeware in no time. It's absolutely amazing to restore bronze shine this way. As you see, it sparkles shiny like new with minimal effort at zero cost. Hope you find my natural effortless cleaning trick useful. See you again with many more amazing tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.